How much of a difference can a few little tweaks to your copy make? Let's find out. I'm Christa Nichols, sales copywriter and copywriting coach. I coach business owners, entrepreneurs, and influencers inside Russell Brunson's 2 Comma Club, Inner Circle, Category Kings, Atlas members coaching programs. And so one thing that I do a lot is I help review the sales copy on their funnel pages and in their emails and in their ads so that they can get higher conversions. 2 days ago, I met with a woman whose offer was not converting very well. She and her company train people how to be speakers, and they had a quiz funnel that was all set up. People were going through the quiz, but they weren't clicking through to book a call. We took a look at a few things and made a couple tweaks to the headline and the text on the button. And here's what happened. So you tell me, does copy optimization make a difference? It can make a huge difference. Follow me for more copywriting tips and tricks.